Sweet and sour poached eggs are a popular Chinese dish, and today I'm sharing my recipe with you. Take a small bowl, add soy sauce, add vinegar, add sugar, add salt and ketchup. Pour in some water and mix well. This sweet and sour sauce can also be used for other dishes. Heat the pan, then add some oil. Once the oil is hot, crack an egg into the pan. Cook over medium-low heat until the egg white is set and the edges are slightly brown. You can cook the yolk to your preference, either runny or fully cooked. Remove the cooked egg and set aside. Leave a little oil in the pan. Pour in the sweet and sour sauce and heat over high heat. Stir until the flavors are fully combined. Add the cooked egg to the sweet and sour sauce. Let the egg soak in the sauce for 1 minute. This will allow the egg to fully absorb the sweet and sour flavors. Add a little cornstarch slurry. Reduce the sauce to thicken it. Remove the egg and arrange it on a plate. Finally, drizzle the remaining sauce over the egg. You can adjust the ratio of the sweet and sour sauce to your liking. Adding ketchup enhances the color and adds a richer flavor. It's sweet and sour, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's really delicious.